Hey everyone, it's time for another Tech in 2 plus a few, and today I was building this space for my students to be able to display their digital badges, and I realized I was utilizing a lot of the great tools in slides that I had hoped to share with people, so I thought I would make a couple videos showing how I created this particular space and then demonstrate those tools for you. So you start with a blank slide. And I'm going to go ahead and start with my shape tool, and I'm going to insert the rectangle. And I'm going to kind of click and drag, and that seems about right. Maybe a little smaller, maybe like that. And then I'm going to highlight it, or it's already highlighted. I'm going to click Command or Control D to duplicate it 7 times. Like that. And then I'm going to take one of my boxes, and I'm going to put it all the way over here. And I'm going to take the first box, I'm going to move it where I think it's going to align. And then I'm going to, again, use my click and drag and highlight all of my squares. I think I missed one. No, I got it. And then I'm going to use Arrange, Distribute, and I'm going to distribute these shapes horizontally from the first to the last. And when you do that, it automatically spaces them for you so that they are all equidistant. Now, they still don't look nice, neat, and pretty in a row, so I'm going to go back to that Arrange, and I'm going to select Align and align it to the top line. And there you go. I have a lovely row. And for my convenience, I'd like to go ahead and use Group, Arrange Group to put them all together, and then I can center that on the page. And then I can take that group and I can use my Command D again and make 3 of those. And do the same thing, use that Align tool and take this down to as far as I want it. And in this case, I think I made them so much smaller, I can probably make a 4th row. And then select all of those shapes. And go back to Arrange. And this time I will distribute them vertically and then align them to the left. And there you go, my perfectly spaced grid, equidistant, looks good. And that has been Tech in 2 and a few. I hope this was helpful, and I will come back and show you some other great skills I use to make my digital badge display board.